Pill parties and the consumption of edibles, new trends which the police say are causing mayhem in schools, especially in St. Catherine. Kelisha Williams has that story.
First, there were guard rings and school fights. Now, students have taken up a new trend of popping pills.
They're having pill parties. Pill parties. Back in the day, you hear about ecstasy. Ecstasy was a party drug, it make you feel nice and you do your thing. Now this Molly thing has surfaced. It is not an over-the-counter, I'm told. I'm told that it is under the counter. So there's the underworld that is pushing this.
It's especially a challenge in St. Catherine South. Detective Corporal Damian Hammond is the Safe School Coordinator for the division.
When they got to the pill party, a 14-year-old went and he started to gyrate on the ground and do some stuff. Didn't know himself, that to rush him to the hospital. And so this is creeping in.
The parties involve students from the same schools who are also getting creative in how they conceal contraband.
They are not just tumbling ball and drops and cakes and cookies. They are laced with ganja. So ganja is the binding agent in these products. And you have what is called now alcohol gummies. So the gummies are laced with alcohol, soaked, infused. An adult told me that when they smell the thing, it was as potent as just drinking it from the bottle.
Now, there's a warning for school administrators to be on the alert.
We need to have this overarching approach to discipline, where the children know that not only the dean of discipline is serious about discipline, but the class teachers too, the guidance counselors, and even the groundsman is serious about discipline.
Over the next few months, the police will be rolling out several safety initiatives in schools. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.